Hello, I will give a presentation on the topic of the bit and byte. The presentation consists of 6 parts and I will present part 1. First, part 1 I will talk about the concept of byte and bit. The first is what is a bit. Which, short for binary digits, is the smallest unit used to present information in computer. Used to measure the transmission rate of information over the network. As bit is either a binary digit 0 or 1. Thus, represent either the corresponding on or off state of the logical gate in the electronic circuit. However, the bit representation is too verbose, so users rarely use this unit. The next is byte. The byte is the unit used to store data in computer memory. Yet the bit is the smallest unit used to represent information in the computer. The byte is also the smallest unit of memory processes in the computer system. A byte represents 256 state value of information represented from 0 to 255, and the byte represent only one character. 10 byte equal nearly one word and 100 byte equal about one sentence of the very last.
Now you also need to pronounce the zero key of the two quantity since both quantity are the smallest unit of measurement of stored information. Many people will not be able to distinguish a zero key for both byte and bit. Zero key bit. Usually bits are mainly used to describe the transfer rate of data in storage devices in telecommunication network. In addition, the bit is used to display the computing power of the CPU and some other function, but in a range. Bit is to measure the light speed of the network. The unit is kilobit per second, megabit per second, gigabit per second. By UK, used to describe the magnitude, capacity of data and storage devices. Describe the data transfer rate. The unit of measurement is usually kilobyte, megabyte, gigabyte. Measure memory ability to store information. Calculate hard drive, USB, internal memory card, external memory card, RAM, or other devices related to computer or software.
How to convert from bit to byte and vice versa. To convert from bit to byte, we divide the number by 8. For example, 16 bits equals 2 bytes, and to convert from byte to bit, we multiply that number by 8. For example, 5 bytes equals 40 bits. In addition, We also use other parameters such as mega, giga, tera, and beta, etc. to represent menus, legend, bits, and bytes. To help you understand better, below is a table of rules from other bytes of the unit. We have 1 byte equals 8 bits, so with a file with a capacity of 10 megabytes, it is only takes 1 second to transfer from machine A to machine B. We will see the transmission from machine A to machine B has a speed of 80 megabytes pixel. Hard drive capacity. To better explain the function of byte as a unit used to store data in the computer, we can look at the hard drive capacity in the computer. For example, here I had drive C. Capacity is the total hard drive capacity, 97.6 GB. Free space is the remaining space, 7.19 GB. User capacity is the use capacity, 90.4 GB.
Hello everyone, I will present part 5 and part 6. Firstly, part 1 will talk about the data transmission speed. Data transmission speed is the average number of bits, character, symbol, or block of data per unit time that traverse the communication link a data transmission system. SATA interface standards. SATA interface standards were born in 21, used for store device inside computers such as hard drive, optical drive, SSD drive. SATA interface standards have 3 versions, including SATA 1, reaches a speed of 1.5 GB per second. SATA 2 has speed of 3 GB per second, and finally, the data transfer speed of SATA 3 is 6 GB per second. Secondly, information transmission speed. Currently, most information transmission speeds are measured by two types of units, Mbps, megabits per second, and megabyte per second. What is the difference between megabyte and megabits? We can see that when applied to calculating internet speed, hard drive capacity, or a file folder, they are very different. Megabit is used to talk about digital store. Megabyte per second is often used to refer to digital data transmission speed. Thank you for your listening.